Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all, sleep. It's something we all need, yet many of us don't get enough of it. So let's explore why sleep is so crucial for our well-being. Sleep isn't just a time when your body shuts down. It's actually a period of intense activity. Your brain processes information, your body repairs tissues, and your immune system strengthens. Without adequate sleep, you might find it harder to concentrate, remember things, and even regulate your emotions. So yeah, it's pretty important. The amount of sleep you need can vary based on age, lifestyle, and individual needs. Generally, adults require about 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Teenagers need around 8 to 10 hours, while younger children and infants require even more. It's essential to listen to your body and ensure you're getting enough rest to function at your best. Alright, so let's dive into some tips for better sleep. First, try to stick to a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock. Next, make sure your sleep environment is comfortable. This means a cool, dark, and quiet room. Also, limit exposure to screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted by phones and tablets can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Finally, consider a relaxing bedtime routine like reading a book or taking a warm bath. These small changes can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep. Well, we've covered a lot today, haven't we? From the importance of sleep to some practical tips for improving it. Remember, good sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being. So take these tips to heart and give them a try. Sweet dreams, and until next time, take care.